Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the zeros of functions. We're going to find a zero of this polynomial function. First, we're going to factor this trinomial. From the previous video, you learned that we're going to find two numbers. When we multiply them, it has to be 18. So let's write down these two numbers, multiply them, and it gives us the product that is 18. When we add them, it has to give us a sum that is 11. Pause and think, see what you have. Do you have 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 plus 9 is 11? Good. Then we can write this as x and plus 2 plus 9. We're looking for how to find the zero of the function. Therefore, we're going to say x plus 2 and x plus 9 is 0. We're going to let f of x be 0. And by 0 product, x is negative 2, x is negative 9. And you can use a comma, you can use the word or.